Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Yes, no workout, no fitness workout today. We will be in the kitchen, back in the kitchen. Welcome and join me. Baking this tuna square, we will be using butter dough. So these are the ingredients we need. It's very simple. It's one package of butter dough. I have a can of artichoke and I cut it in quartered. 2 tablespoons of capers. You can chop that as well. 1 small onion chopped. Everything chopped in small pieces. I have 3 sun-dried tomato and grilled paprika. That's from the jar. So as a base, I will be using this green pesto. Yummy already. And of course, for added protein value, I have 1 can of tuna in dill. There's a lot of tuna in cans with different flavors, but that's my number one, my favorite. For topping, I will be using grated cheddar cheese and dried pizza herbs. 1 egg for brushing the edges of the dough to make it crunchy and more tasty. And for handling the dough easily, you need flour. This is just a plain flour, and it will help the dough from sticking into your hands and on the tabletop, making life easy. So guys, fun time, stay with me. Heat up a tablespoon of coconut oil or any oil you have at home and saute your onion. Add the artichoke, mix it well, cook it for a few minutes. Then add the rest of the ingredients. This is smelling so good, guys. The heat is doing its work. Remember that cooking is about patience. You can season this already. I will put freshly ground pepper. It's very simple. Heating up these ingredients will give it more flavor. Let the flavor incorporate a pinch of Himalayan salt. Mix it well. Add the tuna. Mix and let it heat up for about a minute. A pinch of pizza herbs and a squeeze of lemon, and that's ready, guys. Smelling so good. We will work with our dough, the butter dough, rolling it out, and this will be a great topping for that. A change of heart, guys. I decided to put drops, sprinkle of Tabasco for a bit of kick. Of course, that personal preference. It's an option. Mix it well, and that's ready. And let the rolling begin on a dry, clean, floured kitchen top. Actually, you can use this as well for sweets, for dessert. You can put your favorite fruits or jam and bake it as it is. Lightly rolling the dough so it will be half as thin as when it comes from the package. I will cut it in equal pieces. At least I'll try. Let's do it like this. So we'll get like 12 pieces. Is it? Yeah. Okay, then we'll put the fillings. Transferred it into baking sheets. A bit of pesto. And our lovely filling. Tuna, artichoke, capers, grilled paprika, pizza herbs, onion, which was heated in the pan for a while. Done filling it up with our tuna mixture, brushing the edges with egg wash. Just lightly. Sprinkle with some cheese if you like. This is an option. Sprinkle with oil so it doesn't dry up. I'm using the oil, the flavorful oil from sun-dried tomato jar. Just a bit, not too much. I preheated the oven at 225 Celsius while I was working, filling up this butter dough. And lastly, we will put a bit more of this pizza herbs, and it's ready to go to the oven. And our babies goes to the oven for about 15 minutes. Look at that, guys. Looking so good. And the whole kitchen is smelling so yummy. Thank you for staying with me, and thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to check out my previous videos here. Give it a thumbs up, and you can share it as well. Remember to enjoy the season, guys, wherever you are. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell too, so you don't miss a thing. Cheers to everyone. Be safe, healthy, happy, and connected. Lots of love to all. See you.